The first indications of Samsung's future Galaxy watches have surfaced, and the company is anticipated to release at least 2 new smartwatches later this year. The Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic are 2 possible names for them. Safety Korea's database contains the batteries of Samsung's unannounced devices with model numbers EBBL330ABY and EBL5005ABY. The devices with model numbers SML330 and SML505 that these batteries are linked to are probably watches. Electronic gadgets are tested and certified by Safety Korea for compliance and safety. The EBBL330ABY battery model for the Galaxy Watch 8 was also observed in the TV Rhineland certification. Its average battery life is 435 mAh, which is marginally more than the Galaxy Watch 7's 425 mAh battery. It might be several years before Samsung smartwatches get a battery capacity upgrade. According to a recent source, the Galaxy Watch is expected to adopt all-solid-state battery technology by 2027. Whether Samsung will release a new Galaxy Watch Ultra model this year is unclear. A base Galaxy Watch and a Galaxy Watch Classic are usually released by the firm in 1 year, followed by a vanilla Galaxy Watch and a Galaxy Watch Pro in the following cycle. The Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic are anticipated to be included in the next cycle. We anticipate that the South Korean company would incorporate dual-frequency GPS and the Exynos W1000 chip into its next smartwatches. Samsung may possibly use the Galaxy Watch 8 line as a platform for another innovation that was discussed in January. Blood glucose monitoring without invasive procedures. In January, Samsung revealed their advancements in this area, which is seen as a key long-term objective for wearables. The Galaxy Watch 8 family is anticipated to be unveiled by Samsung later this year, maybe in July. The news that famous designer Mauro Pacini would join Samsung Electronics was originally reported by the Korean media last week. Mauro Pacini of PepsiCo has been appointed as the new chief design officer of Samsung's Device Experience division, the Korean tech giant revealed today. Samsung claims that by recruiting Mauro Pacini, it will improve its design skills in the fields of TV, home appliances, and mobile devices. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.